Hello, we are back with another video for the Caiman homestead. Today I will be feeding her some chicken. I normally use this clicker to get her attention. She wants it. She most likely won't eat all of this, but I'll see what she will eat and the rest of fish and turtles will get. See if she'll kind of come out. There you go, come on. Come on. It'd be easier if she was over there. She can just climb out easier. Let me see if I can help her out. Come on. There we go. There we go. Get another piece. She looks like she's wanting to get back in the water. I actually put this little, it's a band-aid actually, on the end of these because it's just metal and she hurts her teeth. Well, I imagine she does the way she snaps at it sometimes, and that makes it easier for her not to hurt herself. Hopefully I'm kind of watching the actual food and her instead of the actual phone. So hopefully I'm not missing anything. Come on, girl. There you go. Looks like she dropped it under her. Come on. Good girl, Iris. Yeah, I tried to mix her food up with, sometimes I give her this, chicken liver, beef or pork. Sometimes I give her crickets, worms, these fish. I gave her some crawfish the other day. I try to mix it up, keep it diverse, instead of just feeding her one thing. And I got some calcium powder I also mix with it sometimes. I just didn't think to bring it out. Yeah, I figure one more piece you should be. These two look a little too big. I will actually just give these out to the fish. If I can grab it. This is actually over here where the fish had the babies, convicts. I don't know if you can see them too well with the glare, but they are a bunch of babies right here with two parents. That piece looks like it's too big for her. She might have trouble with it. I could cut it, but I think what I've given her is enough. The turtles and fish would go after that. Maybe if I use the clicker, she will swallow that piece and I can give her the last piece. Sometimes using the clicker again will make her want to hurry up and eat it so she can get another piece. Dude, these gubbies will come over here. I don't know if you can see it, but the gubbies are coming up to this piece. Just gonna just drop it in there. She is taking her time. I'm gonna pause the video and wait till she eats that piece and come back. My cats like to climb this, and this is actually one of the reasons I have to have that outside of other predators. But I know for a fact they would get her if they wanted. I know they want to. She is taking her time not swallowing that piece. I do need to let some of the water out. This is my worm bed. I ain't got nothing in it right now, but I'm gonna get some soil. I had some worms at one point, but I didn't have a lot. And the chickens, they go through it. I know other animals come digging through it. I need to let some of this water out. They actually need some water if there is any in here. And there's holes in the bottom with excess water drains out before any worms are still in there. Give them a little extra. Still taking her time. But this is how I drain any excess water. It's been raining, so I need to do that, and I haven't been able to do it because the fish laid eggs over here, but since they didn't all hatch and move over there, I can let some of this water out now. She done went back in the water. She might not even want that. Oh shoot, flies. She might not even want that last piece, because she can have any of the fish in here. I know she's been eating all morning because she's been fat and sluggish, except for now. It's been a couple days. since she's been acting like that. I actually skipped her last feeding day because of how sluggish she was being from eating too much of these fish. And there's also not near as many as there was. There's a good bit of guppies, but not as many as there was when I first put them in here. Minnows, I had like 3 dozen of them in here. There might be a little less than a dozen now. So them turtles and her have definitely been going after them. In her last enclosure, I could put fish in there, but not near as much as this. So she's excited by all the extra food she can get. Okay, she's taking her time. I doubt she's going to want this last piece. So what I will do is set it right here, and the guppies or the turtles, or maybe even her, will come and get it later. And I am going to get them some of these pellets to put in the water for the fishing. Turtles also snack on. I've never seen her eat any of these pellets. Let me pour these in my hand. Probably too much right there. Trying to do this all one-handed. Put some of these back. And that will be it for this feeding video. It doesn't let you want to eat that last piece until I leave. I hope you guys enjoy.